Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with you for the tutorial on verifying an account in the Colmex Pro broker. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we opened our account in this broker, CALP, and now we intend to verify it. For this, we need to click on the Complete Your ACK profile option on this page, and on the next page, provide the requested information such as name. Enter your last name, date of birth, place of birth, and phone number. After entering the required information in this section, you agree to the terms and conditions of the website and click on the next option. On the next page, you need to enter your residence information such as country of residence, nationality, and your exact address. In the first section, you can search for your address or manually enter it by clicking on the manual option and then click on Next. On the next page, you need to enter your tax information. In the first section, you enter the country where you pay taxes, and in the next section, you enter your tax identification number. After entering this information, you need to review and agree to the options in this section. These options include whether you pay taxes in only one country, whether you are a politically exposed person, and more. And whether you are a US citizen or not, you agree to these items and click on Next. On the next page, you need to enter your level of experience in trading by answering these questions. Based on your own circumstances, you answer the question about what experience you have in trading, and then click on Next. On the next page, you enter the duration of time you have been trading in CFDs, Forex, etc. in this section. In the following section, you need to answer these questions. About how many times you have traded these assets in the past 12 months, and what volume the open trades had. After answering these questions, you click on the Next option. On the next page, you are asked how long you have been active in equities trading. You enter your experience in this section, and again, answer how much and with what volume you have been active in this market over the past 12 months. After answering these questions, you click on Next. On the following page, you need to demonstrate your investment knowledge in this section. Based on the information you have, you answer the questions asked in this section and click on Next. On the next page, you need to enter your employment status in this section and answer the following questions according to your circumstances. Then click on Next. In the next section, you need to provide information about your financial situation and answer the questions asked. And click on Next. On the next page, based on your circumstances, you answer the question about what your main goal is in trading, the type of trades, and how you fund your account. Then click on Next. Here, you need to enter your trading goals and the amount of your capital you intend to risk in trades in this section. Here you agree to the terms and conditions stated by the website and click on Next. On the next page, you answer questions related to the non-professional section. These questions are to determine whether you are trading for your personal benefit and whether you intend to trade with your personal capital or not. After reading the points below, you agree to these conditions and click on the Finish option. Well, as you can see, the process of completing your profile was successfully done, and you need to verify your account to continue using this broker. You enter the document page. First, you need to upload your documents for proof of identity. You click on this option. You agree to the terms and conditions of this section and confirm that you are over 18 years old. You select the type of document you want to upload. You can perform the verification process on your mobile phone by clicking on this option. Additionally, you have the option to use your laptop's camera to scan the documents. Click on the Upload option and upload your desired document in this section. If the uploaded document is clear, click on Continue. You also need to upload the back of your document in this section, as you can see here. After uploading the back of your document, you need to fully scan your face to complete the identity verification process. And also, to verify your residence, click on the upload option in this section. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, confirm that you are over 18 years old and click on the Start Verification option. You need to select the type of document you intend to upload and then upload the desired document in this section. After selecting the desired document, click on the Submit option. After completing all these steps, you need to wait for your account to be verified. This was the tutorial on the steps to verify an account in the Colmex Pro broker. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.